Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Hey guys, Justin here, back with the Enduro car. We haven't started this thing since last year, since the last race. You can tell where we broke the radiator and everything's smashed. So we're gonna throw a battery in it, start it up, get it over to the garage, and see what we can't do. See if we can't get this thing ready for March's race. So now I haven't even tried to start this thing since the last race. So hopefully this thing's tight enough. Here you go.
It's sticking.
Do it like this, guys. Sounds like the blinkers are on.
Yeah.
Hazards are on. I got the keys. All right, guys, hopefully it'll fire up. We'll see. Runs pretty good. See if we can't get it over to the garage.
You're buried.
All right, guys, we're working on the Enduro car today. We got to replace the radiator. As you can tell, the core support's bent. All this is bent. Radiator's busted. The top radiator hose has been broke off. The radiator's bowed a little bit. We have to put a rear motor mount on here. It's completely broke. We actually have a ratchet strap holding it down. We raced the last race with a ratchet strap for a motor mount. So we're actually going to take the radiator out, get rid of it. We got a brand new one. Beat all this core support out, try to get the hood to latch, get everything to fit on it again. We're going to put a motor mount in it. We're going to do some little bit of cosmetic repair here. As you can tell, this is all pushed in real far. So we're going to actually beat this out as much as we can to get a little protection for the rear tire. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll get this thing repaired so we can make it for I think it's March 28th for the race. I have to double check on that. I'll let you guys know, but I'm pretty sure that's when it is. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and share the heck out of it, man. Help me out. Thanks. Bye. All right, we're back, guys. We actually got the car all put together. We got a new radiator in it, new rear motor mount in it. We don't have a ratchet strap holding it down no more. We actually put bolts through the hood. We got rid of the hood latch and everything. Put a front end on it. We put new wiring over, mesh wiring over it, try to keep our brand new radiator safe a little bit longer than normal. We put new wire on the window. But it still needs a little bit more love, guys. We've about got it done. Got about a week and a half to get it done. We got a new back bumper put on it. We put new fenders on it. Try to give the tires some protection. That way we're going to try to last the whole 100 laps this time, guys. We haven't been able to yet. It keeps running hot on us, but we're going to get this thing all cleaned up here, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got it all washed up, looking clean, but you know how it is. New year, new color, so we can't leave it the same. So let's see what it's going to look like. Ooh, now that looks a lot better, guys. Nice and bright for this year, but it still looks like we're missing something. Now that looks a lot better, guys. We got everything done to it. Got our numbers on it, got our channel on it, everything for everybody to see. And we took it to Walmart, got brand new tires put on it. So hopefully you guys like the new color for the year. And hopefully we can do good this Saturday. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell and help my channel grow. Thanks, guys.